It was when Abdurrahman Randathani became the Vice President of Malappuram District Panchayat, the popular computer literary program Akshaya IT Saksharata Paddhati was launched. It is the first implemented scheme in India throughout a district with regard to IT. The scheme was inaugurated by the then President APJ Abdul Kalam on November 18, 2002. He received the Honorable Naika Award for the scheme. The scheme helped at least one member of a family in each district of Kerala to be a computer literate. Randathani also took lead to implement smart classrooms in schools of Malappuram district for the very first time. He also steered up the Vijay Bheri scheme to upgrade the educational standard of students. He became the one and only MLA to attend the Legislative Assembly from 2011 to 2016 without missing any session. And this is enough to show how much he valued his membership in the Legislative Assembly. During this tenure, 3 private motions were passed unanimously. One among them was put in by Abdurrahman Randathani. He was keen on bringing matters to the fore. He has also received special appreciation from diasporas for his responsible role of Pravasi Karya Niyama Sabha Committee Chairman. Randathani is also one of the leaders who fulfilled the promises extended during the election campaign. Being the MLA of Thanur, an area where there be calamities, he took initiative to build 2,000 houses for the fishermen. Thanur Harbour is his yet another contribution. He during his tenure also put forward the proposal for putting up government colleges in constituencies with no government colleges, thus came the first government college in Thanur. He chaired the leadership of Shihab Thangal Cooperative Hospital and turned it into a multi-speciality hospital in a new building. Inauguration of the hospital is set after the polls. The state needs leaders who have foresightedness. People expect leaders to do their best for them. Abdurrahman Randathani is a great example in this regard. Sajna, TNI, Malappuram.